Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you unknowingly harming your health by eating rice and wheat daily? Did you know these staple grains might be silently causing diabetes, heart problems, PCOD, and even harming our planet? Let's discover the hidden truth and powerful health solutions together. Rice and wheat, though common in most diets, rapidly spike blood sugar levels. Just 50 grams of rice can flood your bloodstream with glucose within minutes, triggering insulin spikes, thickening blood, raising blood pressure, and even causing heart blockages over time. Not only that, cultivating these grains requires massive amounts of water, nearly 10,000 liters for wheat and 8,000 liters for rice, leading to environmental devastation and water scarcity. Enter millets, nature's forgotten miracle. These incredible grains require only 200 liters of water, significantly reducing environmental impact. With over 200 varieties, millets can thrive even in drought conditions, making them sustainable superfoods. But the power of millets goes far beyond sustainability. They are nutritional powerhouses capable of reversing chronic diseases like diabetes, PCOD, thyroid issues, blood pressure, and even certain cancers. These ancient grains possess special fibers that regulate blood sugar, stabilize hormone levels, and cleanse your internal organs. For instance, foxtail millet targets lung and nervous system disorders. Little millet helps in PCOD, infertility, and hormonal imbalances. Barnyard millet detoxifies kidneys and liver. Brown top millet cleanses your entire digestive tract. Kodo millet rejuvenates bone marrow and blood cells. Ever wondered why girls as young as 8 are experiencing early menstruation? The answer lies in dairy products filled with unnatural steroids and hormones. Reducing dairy consumption can dramatically improve your hormonal health and lower the risk of PCOD, fibroids, and infertility. Similarly, soy products, heavily genetically modified and processed, also increase risks of cancer and hormonal disruption. Switch to natural alternatives like coconut milk, sesame seeds, or almond milk for better health. How can you start integrating millets into your diet today? Replace rice or wheat with millet-based dishes, idlis, dosas, rotis, even pizzas and biryanis. Always soak millets for at least 5 to 8 hours before cooking to unlock their full nutritional potential. Consume single types of millets in rotation rather than mixing, maximizing their unique cleansing properties. Cooking in mud pots can prevent harmful reactions caused by aluminum and steel vessels, preserving vital nutrients and enhancing digestion. Avoid refined oils that damage your cells. Opt instead for natural oils like cold-pressed coconut sesame and Niger seed oils, which regenerate neurons and cells. Stay hydrated with copper-infused water, which naturally purifies and enhances your immune system. Simply store water overnight in a copper vessel. It's a small habit with significant health benefits. Physical activity like walking daily for at least 45 minutes regulates salts, maintains heart health, and prevents diseases better than intense workouts. Sunlight exposure at sunrise helps synthesize vitamin D naturally, crucial for mood regulation, bone strength, and immune health. Simple practices like morning walks or Surya Namaskar can profoundly transform your health. By incorporating millets, reducing harmful foods like dairy and soy, using natural cooking methods, and embracing simple lifestyle changes, you can reclaim your health, reverse chronic diseases, and help save our planet. Ready to join the millet revolution and transform your life? Hit the subscribe button, share this video, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking health secrets. Remember, good health is your greatest wealth. Start investing in it today. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay healthy.